This video is part 2 of 2 of how to use Microsoft Word 2007 and Snag It 8 to create coupon images, which we then upload to Coupon Campaign. Snag It. At this point, I'm going to go ahead. We've already created the image. You essentially send it to Snag It. Right click on Snag It. And slowly, we're going to go ahead and capture this image. Good idea to try to get about the same amount of white space on either side of the border as best you can. Kind of evens it out when you create the image. Now, just by dragging and dropping it around there, it already sends it to Snag It. All you have to do is simply send it right back to Word by clicking this icon, Word icon. Now it's going to end up in Word. Again, so by clicking on this icon here, it should send this image right back to Word. I'll probably send it twice now. Let's go to Word. Yeah, and you can see that I sent the image here twice. I'm going to go ahead and just delete this second image. And you know, you can either delete this or just add an extra space. There we go. Let me kind of get that clear. Now, it's a single image. This is not separate. You make sure it's selected, click Format. Now you're going to select your button. I generally use this one because the rounded edges match the rounded edge of the corner. You could pick any one you want. But in general, right now, all we're using are these. You get to see a preview what it looks like. That looks good to me. Select it. And now we need to send it back to Snag It. Now, you have to go back to Snag It, click Done. And now you can restart or recapture an image using Snag It by right-clicking on the Snag It icon in the tray. Wait a second. It's going to provide this. Now, you want to make sure that you capture the shadows. I generally start down here. If you miss a little bit of shadow there, come down to here. If you miss this, all you have to do is just hit Done and don't save it, and you can repeat the process till you get just the right size. I'm going to go ahead and save as, excuse me. I've already been through this process once before, so I'm going to select I'm actually would type in All American Coupon, and it's going to automatically add JPG at the end of it. I hit save. In this case, I'm going to end up saving over the file. Yeah, I want to save over it. Now, the other thing that we need to do is save it in a smaller size. We're going to use resize image. This image will actually end up being uploaded to Constant Contact. So after I hit resize, I hit scale to specific size, and then you're going to adjust the height to 100. Notice that if you leave these two checked, this scale automatically adjusts. Keeps the aspect ratio the same. In this case, it's 121. I'll do save as. I'm going to select the same name that I had before. So now we're going to add on the aspect, the pixel size. So it's 121 by 100. Save. And these two images now are saved to my local hard drive, which I can then use to upload to the call support portal into one of the campaigns. This concludes the video.